Last day is a little peewee.
Guys, today is the day. I'm dropping off my Gladiator to go get lifted. I'm bringing it to a shop here in Bend, Oregon called Specialties. They hooked me up with the parts and everything like that, so I'm super stoked. But yeah, it's not gonna lift it till tomorrow, but I'm dropping it off tonight. That way they'll have it first thing in the morning. You can hopefully get it done tomorrow. But I got all my cleaning stuff in the back. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna give him a nice little bath before he gets lifted. That way when I pick it up, it's nice and shiny and clean. So yeah, I cannot wait to show you guys how it looks. I am so excited. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, Jeep is nice and clean, so now we're on our way to the shop to drop it off. But yeah, so I'm so excited. Don't mind my hair. I literally got sprayed at the car wash. That wasn't we're here. Bye, Ray Ray. Dropping him off. Oh, where is he? There he is. Baby's all big. What are you doing? You trying to eat my tire? I got the Jeep back a few days ago. So I wanted to give you guys the full walk around tour, tell you what lift I did, tires, everything like that. It's done for now. It goes back in about a week to get its gears put in. I wanted to do it all together, but all the gears were out of stock. So obviously that didn't work out. Don't give me crap for driving it on 40s with stock gears. I know it's bad. Trying to do as minimal driving as I can. That way I don't mess anything up. But don't come at me. So yeah, let's go do this little walk around tour. So for the lift kit, I went with a Teraflex 4.5-inch lift. It's not an actual kit, so I'm going to show you all the components that went into it to make it a 4.5-inch lift. But one of the guys over at Rebel Off-Road helped me out and told me all the part numbers and everything like that I needed to get. So we got the 4.5-inch Teraflex base kit, which is just these coils, the bump stops, things like that. And then we got the Teraflex track bar in the front, Fox smooth body 2.0s for the shocks, front and rear. If I can get a good look in there. And then I also got that Teraflex Alpine short control arms. Got all 8 of them, so they're in the rear and the front. For wheels and tires, I went with the Milestar Patagonia mud terrains in 40 13.5 with a 17-inch rim. I had these tires on my TJ and I absolutely loved them. I love how beefy they look, and I mean they're pretty damn close to a true 40. I think they measured right at like 39.5, something like that. And then for the wheels, shout out to Relations Race Wheels for sending me these bad boys. They are the RRH6 hybrid beadlock. So the rim itself is separate, and then you get the beadlock ring. Just so you know, if you do try to order them, they have these available in the black, charcoal gray, I believe a gold color, and then the ring is available in multiple colors also. But I just think that the silver ring kind of broke up all the black. Here's a shot of the rear. Not too much went into anything back here besides just the control arms and the shocks. So that is the build so far. love it as much as I do. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Any other upgrades you guys think I should do or would recommend. Like I said, the gears are what is next. And then I think I'm gonna do a fender chop because as you can see, it's very stuffed right in here, and then up here it's kind of stuffed too. So I'm sure when I wheel, one of these is gonna pop off anyway. But yeah, so let me know in the comments and I will see y'all soon.